Hi, my name is Abney and I am the SLC captain. Good morning, everyone. Here's the acknowledgement of country.
We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognise their continuing connection to land, waters and culture. We pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging.
Could everyone please stand up for the national anthem? Please face the national flag, have all hats off and hands by your side. Here's Miss McCann with the principal's message.
Good morning, everyone. Lovely to see you all again. I just have a few things to let you know about today. The first thing I want to tell you about is we have our Partners in Learning evening. So that's on Tuesday, the 8th of March, and that's online. That's a perfect time for us to give information to the parents and families about teaching and learning and well-being in your child's classroom. Throughout the year, we'll continue our Partners in Learning program and we'll give you information throughout the year, but it's very important that you attend this because it just sets up that communication with your child's teacher for the rest of the year. Okay. Next week is the Year 6 beach program. So well done, Year 6s. You get to go to the beach every day next week with your class, one day at a time, obviously. The beach program is really important so that you can learn safety at the beach, but also to do some really fun sporty activities. So it's going to be a great day for you when you go. Last but not least, it's lovely to see you all keeping up the great uniform, really making our Lyndhurst community proud. Don't forget to keep well, keep testing, then you'll really look after our community and we get to see you every day. Keep well, everyone. Bye.
Thank you, Miss McCann. Each week, students can win a Coleman Award for working really well, being kind towards others, and trying their best. They might have shown some of the school values or a positive attitude towards others and their learning. Here are this week's winners.
Good morning, everyone, and congratulations to all of the Corman Award winners. My name is Ryan, and I am the SRC captain. We are now going to do the Corman Feather Awards. Let's see who will win this award this week.
Hi everyone, now I'm going to choose the Cormorant Feather winners. Let's see who the first person is who gets a lunch order. And that is Zane in 5B for being a superstar in 5B. Well done. Lunch order for you. And the next one is to Arman in 5B for being a superstar. 2 superstars in 5B. Let's give it a good shuffle here. And this is for Ashfear in 6D for participating in activities. Well done, children. You get to have morning tea with Mr. Lacey.
Please give our Feather Award winners a round of applause. Congratulations to all our new leaders for Lyndhurst Primary. But just remember, kids, that you don't have to have a badge to be a leader. Here is Mr. Lacey with a special announcement with one of our former students, Anirudh.
Hi there everyone, and welcome to Assembly. Today we have some awards to present. They are from the ICAS assessments. The ICAS assessments are sat by students who choose to do assessments that are Australia-wide. They do them in English and mathematics. And we're very proud today to have Anirudh come back and visit us. Anirudh was a Year 6 student last year, and he achieved a distinction in English and a credit in mathematics. So it's a great achievement for him. We're very pleased that he could come back this afternoon and receive this award. Now, a distinction puts him in the top 10% of all students across Australia. So it's a really fantastic achievement. So Anirudh, congratulations. Well done. There's your certificate, and we're very, very proud of you.
Thank you.
And after presenting Anirudh with his award, we have more awards for students who are still here at the school. And we congratulate the following people who got distinctions and high distinctions in English and mathematics. The first one is for Shrenik. Congratulations, Shrenik. Got a distinction in mathematics. Well done. Next we have Shrenik again, who also got a distinction in English, multi-talented. So well done, Shrenik. Harleen from Year 4 from last year, a distinction in mathematics. Congratulations, Harleen. Harleen also got a distinction in English. Again, multi-talented students. Fantastic. Very proud of you all. Next one is Hardia. Hardia got a distinction in English. Congratulations, Hardia. We all have Nimrit also, who got a distinction in English. Congratulations in English. We have Parleen, who got herself a distinction in English. We have Sriram, who got a distinction in English as well. Congratulations, Sriram. And we have a couple of high distinctions as well. So in English, Grace Nicol in Year 3 last year got a high distinction. Now, a distinction puts you in the top 10% of students across Australia. A high distinction puts you in the top 1% of students in the whole of Australia. So it's a fantastic achievement. We're very proud. Well done, Grace. Rishi also got a high distinction. Rishi's high distinction was in English, and we really congratulate you for that. And Rishi also got a distinction in mathematics. They are beautiful certificates. All of those people should be very proud of your achievements, and we are certainly very proud of you all. Well done.
Every year, the school elects captains for Lyndhurst Primary School. You've already met our captains and SRC chairs, but now we would like to announce our house captains and our specialist captains for 2022. Here is Mr. Lacey.
Hi again, here I am again, and we have some student leader announcements to make. As you know, just recently we announced who our school captains and our SRC chairs were. This is our next round of student leadership appointments. And so the house captains and the subject leaders will be announced today. Good luck to all of those people who put their hand up, and I wish you well. First of all, our house captains. For Air House, we have Alaya and Manaz. Congratulations. For Water House, Chanul and Zaria. Well done. For Firehouse, Cooper and Dina. Well done, Cooper and Dina. And finally, for Earth House, the captains there will be Sriram and Aubrey. Congratulations to all of those house captains. I look forward to working with you. Next, our specialist leaders. And in music, it is Taylor and Selena. Well done. In art, Hardia and Guntas. Congratulations. In physical education, Isabella and Ryder. Well done to you two. Wellbeing, our wellbeing leaders will be Alara and Gori. In Spanish, Mija and Naz. Congratulations on your appointment. Our sustainability leaders will be Shannon and Mackenzie. And ICT and Digitech, well done to Savtej and Morales. And finally, in science, we have Bhagyashri and Devansh. So well done to all of those people. Congratulations. It's a great leadership team that's shaping up. Next, we will have our SRC representatives from each of the classes who will be selected, and that will complete our leadership selections for this year. Well done, everybody.
Here is the sustainability report.
Hi, we were the little legends last week. We collected 6.8 kilos. We collected too much rubbish. We have rubbish put in the bin. Don't throw it on the ground. If you see some rubbish, then put it in the little bin. Because it's good for the environment, so no one doesn't. So the animals don't eat it, and then they can die. Thanks for listening. Bye. Hi, we're in 5B.
Today we are here with a neutral report.
Here are the numbers.
In 5th place, 2G with 71.
In 4th place, 2C with 76.
In 3rd place, 2A with 77. Waka waka waka.
In 2nd place, 4E with 87.
In 4th place, drum roll please. With 91 5B.
Hello everybody, I'm Sana from 4A and this is my friend here. And we are here to tell you about the 2 new bins you will find near the canteen. These bins are here to reduce the amount that goes in landfill. Anything that we can compost or recycle stops it from going to landfill. What goes in the compost bin? You can put food leftovers, paper towels, food scraps, but nothing that's in wrappers. Hiya! What goes in the shallow recycling bin? Plastic bottles, plastic containers, foil containers, milk and juice cartons, and wooden sticks. So can I put in my plastic that has memory on it, and this cardboard from my lunch. Also this foil from my lunch. And these paper bags. Let's put these in. Wait, but they're single-use plastic. Yeah, we should put them in this bin. If you're not sure, ask a friend or a teacher. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Thank you everyone. Have a great week. Please stay seated and wait for instructions from your teacher. Bye for now.